Our friends from IPC have now left the farm, but I'm fortunate and thankful enough that they left with us this nice floor scrubber to use and continue to clean the shop. And the plan to clean the floors, we're gonna take the scrubber, we're gonna go lengthways 80 feet this way with the shop, then we're gonna turn around and go widthways just so we don't miss any nook and cranny of cleaning the floor. To see a comparison between that machine and a traditional broom, I'm gonna leave this area right here by the forklift untouched with this cleaner, and then we'll come back with the broom, sweep it up just to see and notice a difference. We are done going lengthways now with the scrubber. Almost timed it perfectly because it just ran out of solution here, which if we open this up, we'll see, there's all the dirt and debris that we've cleaned up off the floor going this way that I'm now gonna dump out to get this all cleaned out and refill with some more solution. I believe this is the drain hose. I'm just gonna put it, yeah, water's already coming. I'm just gonna dump that right in the shop drain. We'll back this thing up a little bit. Whoa, almost too much, but it's nice it's got that power. There she comes, she's coming fast. I'll close this back up. Add a little dilution in there to help penetrate and clean more. The whole floor in the shop has been scrubbed with the scrubber twice now, everywhere except for here where the forklift is. Now I want to move the forklift out of the way. That way we can see a difference between using a hand sweeper in this area versus this machine in the rest of the shop. Because I want it to be a fair test, we're gonna use this finely bristled brush, which we normally use to pick up as much dust as possible here in the shop to sweep up this little area. Now here's how we're gonna test it. I'm gonna take my clean hand, rub it on the spot of the floor that we just swept away with the broom. Look at how much dust is still on the floor. Wash the hand off. And now we'll rub it on a spot we did with the washer. Hand is perfectly still clean. You can still see the little bit of a break here where the forklift was. That's where the edge of the scrubber was right there. Then on the other side, that's where all that dust is still built up where we didn't use the scrubber. Now IPC, the company that created this scrubber, also has a lot of other cleaning products like that sweeper I showed you guys today. And if you're interested in learning more about their company and want to bring some of these cool cleaning products to improve your farm, go ahead and check out the link that I have down below in the description.